Good morning, kids. Our lesson for today is all about animals and their sounds. Kids, what animal is this? This is a cat. Good job. And what is the sound of cat? Meow, meow, meow. And this is the baby cat. And the baby cat called kitten. And the sound of dog, earth, earth, earth. And the baby dog is called puppy. How about the dog? Quack, quack, quack. And the baby dog is called duckling. How about a cow? Moo, moo. The baby cow is called calf. How about the pig? Oink, oink, oink. And the baby pig is called piglet. How about the bird? What is the sound of bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. And the baby bird is called hatchling or a chick. How about a goat? Meh, meh. And the baby goat is called kid. And how about the horse? What is the sound of horse? And the baby horse is called foal. So now kids, are you ready? Bring your module. Match the animals with their sounds. Okay, number 1. What is the sound of piglet? Is it meow meow or oink oink? Draw a line like this. Number 2. What is the sound of dog? Is it arf arf or tweet tweet? Draw a line. Number 3. What is the sound of bird? Is it tweet tweet or meow meow? Number 4. What is the sound of cat? Is it meow meow or tweet tweet?